Well, hello, welcome back from spring break. Um, Today, we're going to begin embarking on a new project in which I want you to focus on what's going on around us. We are going to be making art, reflecting on how this COVID situation is affecting us, as well as how the social isolation is affecting us. The fact is, there have been plagues. So we're going to start by looking at how other plagues, other big health issues have been depicted in art in the past. So that's what you're going to be doing today. Then we're going to be looking at examples of things other artists are doing right now in response to this pandemic. And then you're going to begin thinking about what sort of art does this push you to make? And asking, how has this affected you? How have you experienced this? What things, what visuals stand out to you? What ideas are standing out to you? My goal with this is to help you process through some of the struggle because it's weird. Social isolation has been very strange for me personally. I live alone, single woman, and that's strange. My family is far away in upstate New York, so I don't know how it's been for you. Maybe you feel completely trapped, surrounded by the people around you. Maybe you feel unsettled by people wearing masks. That unsettles me a lot. Maybe you feel really anxious about getting sick. All of these things might be happening, and so maybe art can be a way that we can express some of that. What I don't want this to do, I don't want this to make you feel more overwhelmed by what's going on around you. If this assignment makes you feel further unsettled in a way that you don't think is a good idea, talk to me. Talk to me immediately about it, even if it's just like a little thing. You think, Ms. Powell, I'm a little hesitant about this. Talk to me, we can figure something out. But for those of you who think that this could be a positive thing for you, we're going to use this experience, this strange once in a lifetime opportunity to make art about what's happening right now. So keep checking the Google Classroom page. Communicate with me. I'll be communicating with you. And I'm excited to see what is happening in your brain and in your life and in your world through this art.